What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So we've acquired quite a few parts over here for the old Bronco, so gonna do basically like a little series of videos now, just installing everything you see here. So obviously I'm sure you can tell we got a flow master in there, got a bikini top up there, we got some lights that we're going to be installing on the grill. We got, or not on the grill, but on the actual SVC front bumper up there. Got a blow off valve, and then this box right here, we got an intake. So that's what we're going to be installing today. This is obviously, as you can see right up there, the Roush Cold Air Intake for the Bronco. This is my Wildtrak, so obviously it has the 2.7 EcoBoost, the twin turbo V6. So like I said, that's what we're going to be working on today. So how about go ahead, get this box open, we'll get it all set up, and then we'll get it thrown on in the Bronco, and I'll go ahead and give you guys some sound samples of what everything sounds like with the new intake on there. As far as performance goes, I don't think we're really going to be gaining too much performance, because really it's just an intake. It might pick up a little bit, probably nothing that's going to be noticeable, but my hope is that we get some better turbo noises with going ahead and throwing that in there. So let's go ahead and get it started. If you are interested in picking up this intake, I'll have links down below in the description for everything. So there'll be this intake here, as well as all the other parts that I just kind of showed you guys down below. So make it easy for you guys, I always throw like the cheapest Amazon links in there, so you can go ahead and buy from there. And it also kind of helps me out because they are my affiliate links. So if you like the channel and you want to help out, that's always a great way of doing so. So just go ahead and show you. It all comes nice and packaged. Roush, super high quality stuff for Ford, so I expect nothing less from them. So here we got the intake cover kind of shield right there. And we got another box right here, which is, I'm assuming, holds the intake. Right here we got the little gasket kind of seal that goes on the cover, as well as the Roush badge. And then this is the dust shield that goes around the actual filter. If you were going to be doing any sort of off-roading in any dusty conditions, I would definitely be throwing that on there. But for street use, I don't really find it necessary, but it's cool that they include it. And then we just got, looks like some decals and warranty information, stuff like that. So that's what comes inside the box. Now let's go ahead. Look at that, you can go ahead and throw that on their Roush air induction system. Pretty cool. Go ahead and throw that in the engine bay. But let's go ahead and get this opened as well. Here we are. Inside here, big old filter. So that's everything that comes with the kit. And then over here, just gotta go ahead, remove that right there. So I think what we gotta do is just pull this little push pin there, and then there are 4 screws, one here, one here, one over here, then one over here. We just need to remove that. Then we could go ahead and pull this whole cover off and get the new filter and cover installed. All right, now let's go ahead and get this cover prepped for install. We gotta go ahead and get the whole stripping installed up here so it's nice and airtight. All right, so pretty basic, just go all the way around the perimeter. Then when you get to here, you cut it and then just use the excess piece just to go in this little L shape, and then you're good to go. Everything fits pretty straightforward, pretty easily. So now we can go ahead, get this installed back on the cover, and that's more or less gonna do it. Forgot to mention, you are gonna wanna have to reuse this little air snorkel piece off of the stock piece. You really just pull it off and then it clicks right back onto this one. Pretty simple, honestly. It's all set. All we gotta do now is put on the little badge that goes on the intake, double-sided tape, peel it off. And we're all done. With filming, it probably took me about 15 minutes. Super simple to do. If you are a novice at any sort of DIY mechanical stuff, if this is, you know, your first vehicle that you're going to be modifying, pretty easy way to get your feet wet with actually, you know, working on your own vehicle. Super simple to do. It's 4 screws. Really simple not to mess up. So there it is. New intake installed. Pretty cool. I didn't know Garrett made the turbos on these things, so that's a really cool thing. I had no idea. I just figured that out. So let's go ahead, get it started, and I'll show you guys, or let you guys listen to the new intake noise. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for this one. Quick, easy video, like I mentioned before. Definitely do get a little bit more intake noise and turbo noise out of this thing. I know that's gonna be really hard to relay on video, but you know, I know you guys don't know me, but take my word for it. I keep it 100 on this channel. If there wasn't really any more noise or anything, I would let you guys know, but you do definitely get a little bit more induction noise, as well as a little bit more of the turbo spool noise. We're going to be getting definitely way more turbo noises in the next video, because we are going to be switching out the blow-off valve and adding an adapter so it vents to full atmosphere, so we get that cool little ricer turbo noise. But that's going to do it for this one, guys. Like, subscribe, share, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of my videos, my content, and the Bronco in general. This has been a really cool, fun project so far. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.